Could you imagine an ancient village shrouded in mist where the birds never sang? For centuries, whispered legends spoke of Oakhaven, a place so eerily quiet, it felt like the world held its breath. No vibrant dawn chorus, no cheerful evening chirps, just profound, natural silence. Elders believed a powerful, protective spirit loved peace so much, it gently hushed the very air. Travelers entering Oakhaven felt an inexplicable calm, almost a subtle pressure. And the villagers? They were remarkably serene, communicating in soft, knowing glances and gentle whispers. You won't believe this. Drop a like if this story blew your mind. Modern exploration finally ventured deep into Oakhaven. What they unearthed wasn't a spirit, but an extraordinary, subterranean crystalline structure. Here's the crazy part. This massive crystal resonated at a frequency just beyond human hearing, creating a localized silent zone that completely disoriented avian communication. The birds couldn't sing. Wait, it gets weirder. Analysis revealed this same crystal subtly amplified human intuition and empathy. The villagers, over generations, developed a unique, nonverbal understanding, fostering an incredibly peaceful, whisper-only society. They didn't need words. They lived in profound harmony, shaped by the silent song of the earth itself.